GOSTAR is essential in this work as it provides the basis of patentability.
So GOSTAR provides the scale of data that machine learning needs to really learn patterns and to really, extrapolate those findings into new areas.
Yeah, GOSTAR helps us analyze the competitive landscape, understand what's out there, and in some instances helps us to build models based on known information, as well as train systems to assess how well we're doing at the curation process.
GOSTAR is one of our key data resources that fits into and addresses a very key problem within the application of our approach.
So there are a few other databases covering the patents. They are claiming that they can cover the patents, but GOSTAR is unique because it is up-to-date, curated by human experts, and the most important part is that it can be integrated into our system seamlessly.
GOSTAR provides a range of different types of information, a range of different types of data, and that allows you to create a range of different types of predictions. And in drug discovery, having many different predictive options is certainly helpful.
No database is complete, but Xelera responds quickly to provide the most recent patent and journal data to GOSTAR database. This effort saves lots of our time and resource to keep the database reliable.
GOSTAR definitely helps your ability to find information more intelligently, give you starting points for which to start your data analysis tasks, and begin the process of understanding from a chemical standpoint, from an indication standpoint, from a translational standpoint, where you might start looking to assess connectivities, whether it be to different disease subspaces or whether it be to different chemical series that you can evaluate, and ultimately culminating in your ability to understand whether or not there is some sort of starting point that you should be assessing, either to validate an assay or to interrogate a particular drug discovery strategy more holistically.
The use of GOSTAR data has been quite critical in the training and validation and critical validation of those machine learning models. GOSTAR allows us effectively to enter an area of biological chemical space that wouldn't be possible otherwise.
Sure, I would recommend the use of GOSTAR to anyone who needs the good, wide, and most recent data curated by human experts. Relying on the credible source of drug discovery data is crucial for the sophisticated research of top-tier companies like Standigm. With the help of GOSTAR, we can focus on what we can do best. Xelera provide the whole database, and they update this whole database quite periodically and quite often.
I would recommend GOSTAR for building predictive models in drug discovery space. One of the real advantages to its use is it allows us to focus more on the models themselves instead of trying to capture the data from all kinds of different sources.
I would definitely recommend GOSTAR to anybody who's interested in data curation, trying to understand more about what's currently being worked on, what's currently out there.
Yeah, absolutely. I would recommend GOSTAR to others in my position. It's quite a large coverage of chemical space and curation of the relevant bioactivity data that we find useful for these sorts of questions.